Alright guys, 2013 Highlander Heat is in a poor condition, not having a good heat. Alright guys, one thing I'm going to tell you guys is to check your Freon, alright? If your Freon is down below level, you're not going to have good heat. You're going to have heat when the car rips, when the car goes, because the pump is going to push it, alright? So open this cap out when the car is nice and cold. Check your antifreeze inside the radiator. Fill up your expansion tank there, guys. Also, inside this car, inside this Highlander, if you are feeling nice and cold, all right, this car does have blender motors right down here. Sometime summertime, see that little guy right there? That's a blender motor right there. All right, more door motor. I'm just going to give you an example. All right, these motors, the way they work is, in summertime, they open one side, which is a heat. They open the AC side and close the heat side. In summertime, it closes the AC side and opens the heat side. So let's say summertime, you got the AC blasting, so it closes the heat side. So you're getting all the AC from this side of the door, from this vent. But it breaks down. It will not switch sides. Now you're stuck with the nice and cold air, right? It's not that your system is not working, it's just that motor is bad. So this car probably got dual motors, single motors. If you have dual motors, one side will be cold, one side will be hot, one side you can change hot and cold, the other side you cannot. It could be a problem, all right guys? But main reason why I get all the customers coming to me is they have a low antifreeze, all right? Having a low antifreeze is gonna be the most common reason, all right? Sometimes you have a water pump leaking, small leaks in the radiator that you cannot check, you cannot see, you cannot find. Your antifreeze goes low after like a year or so, and now you have no more heat. Simple as that, guys. You're topping off the heat. Antifreeze is gonna give you a little bit of signal that okay, your heat works now, but a month from now it goes back down. That means you have a leak somewhere, right? You have to check all the pipings and everything. All right, guys. So number one thing you want to check if your heat does not work on our newer cars or older cars, check your antifreeze, because this antifreeze heats up, then it goes inside the car from right those two pipes right there, the heater core pipes, and it gives you the heat on the inside the car, but the heat is all being picked up from the engine block. The antifreeze heats up and goes inside and gives you heat. So if there's no antifreeze, it's not gonna go in there because it's gonna cool off the engine, but you're not gonna have enough that's gonna go inside. All right, so guys, check your coolant level. All right, so thank you and bye bye.